So I hope the card is not really full, because the camera was saying it's full, but actually it cannot be full, but maybe there was a mistake, error. Anyway, here Porsche Diesel Standard Star from Porsche. Oh, this was interesting. Porsche Diesel Renault. No, it was only the company that sold this farming tractor. So in case the camera is full, or the SD card, then I'm saying thank you for watching, and otherwise I will just continue. Hopefully it was only an error from the card. Volkswagen T3 Camper Westfalia Vanagon. Is there still someone? Yep, I was already wondering if he's parking there. Oh, with the rectangular headlamps too. Ah, wonderful. Auto Union 1000. A nice two-tone design, grey rooftop and a creamy white body. Beautiful. Mercedes-Benz 300D. And if you're wondering that I sound like I'm out of breath, it is because I was just walking uphill. Just filming from there. Here's also something where I still want to go. There's the visitor parking lot, and there are also some of these cool cars. Here, Volkswagen Beetle in a nice pale blue. Just remembering this morning, I had a discussion in the chat or in the comments with JT. We were talking about the Volkswagen Beetles. This is a 1303, and he was mentioning something about this color, because there was also one of these from Matchbox in a very similar color, but of course an older variation. And what I wanted to say is there on top, if you are walking up this way, there is a lake that you can also visit. Same Fort Taunus as last time. Here just at the crossing. I can cross the walk, cross the crossing, whatever. I cannot talk today, I'm sorry. Anyway, here, Fort Taunus. We've seen this one also 2 years ago when I've been the last time here. I wasn't really running, but kind of. Just walking a little bit quicker. So, oldtimer friend, the Zaberfeld, so oldtimer friends, classic car friends from the Zaberfeld, they are hosting this event. Oh, Suzuki Swift, cool. And here Porsche 911. That's nice. Oh, beautiful. And well, I'm also heading to the visitors parking lot now, because you can already see some stuff. Oh, there's even the Audi 80, the Audi Cabriolet. And I've also heard already that when you have to fix the rooftop, then you're spending quickly 2,000 euros on these. So that's probably also one of the reasons why the car is more expensive now than it has been a few years ago. Oh, beautiful. The 170 V. Oh, what a nice classic. Oh, Mercedes-Benz V-Mod. What a cute thing. Grande Punto, I've once owned one of these. Cool car, but in the winter time I had to scrape off more ice from the inside than outside. BMW 02 series. Very typical color in that orange, I can remember that. So. Ah, it's the facelift. Nice. G3 leaving. So, oh, that's a stunning color. I also like new cars. So this is Mazda MX-5 RF. So the one with the metal rooftop. What a stunning color. I'm thinking it's called Magna Red. Audi TT in grey. Not my favorite color. I don't even remember that the car was sold in this color. It could be repainted, I don't know. And here the MX-5. I'm pretty sure that this car is also becoming a classic when it's 30 years and older, because, I mean, take a look at this car. Stunning. Especially in this color. And here, an old Moggy. Morgan +4, I guess. Oh, and take a look at this. Oh, by the way, it's a +8. And here, NSU Prince. So this was the not so sporty version of the TT. So nice. NSU Prince L. You also rarely get to see these, because the most people go for the TT, of course. Oh, it's also a beautiful interior. Nice, nice, nice. I'm absolutely not disappointed today. Such nice cars. Next weekend I don't know where I'm going. Possibly again classics and coffee. So here the Morgan +8. Because there's most likely no other meeting on next Sunday, but maybe I will find out something else. Because I don't want to be only at the classics and coffee. Anyway, I'm also of course still visiting it, no worries. Nice, nice. This is the other Mercedes-Benz 170. And you can see here are the horizontal lines, the design lines, no air vents. So this is the more modern variation. And it's slightly bigger, I guess, because it's looking a little bit bigger. 170S. Beautiful. Did I actually take a photo? Maybe not. If not, then it's time to take a photo. Oh. I don't know how these cars are driving, because I'm used to the more modern cars, but I really also want to drive one like these. BMW E30 Cabriolet. Wonderful red. And here the Audi, another Audi B3 Cabriolet. Oh, what a stunning color. I mean, the price is nice actually, because it's really a beautiful car. Absolutely a stunning color. And I also love the green rooftop of this one. Well, of course it's now down, but it's also nice to see that it's working, because if this is broken, this can be costly. And here the red BMW with a greeting to Igor. I know you're loving them.